International Harvester 5 millionth. The 5 millionth is made from the 1066 body. It was designed by collectors who made up the decals. It is a two-tone color, white on top, red on the lower half, as well as the rims and the seat. The seat and steering wheel are metal, like the early 1066. It also goes back to the larger round hub and the smooth high dome rear tire. The front rim is still plastic with a hat-shaped push nut. Like the 66, it has a regular chain covered by a chain guard, and it still uses plastic bearings. The 5 millionth is one of the prettiest pedal tractors. The two-tone color really stands out against all the other IHs. It has decals on the left side. Here's a better view of the 5 millionth decal. It has decals on the right side, a decal on the seat, on the flat 3-spoke die-cast steering wheel, as well as the front. It has the smooth high dome rim with low dome hubcap. The tires are 12 by 1 3/4 inch lug tread with no lettering. And this tractor goes back to the round hub like on the 1066. And the same black-ribbed plastic pedal with hat-shaped push nuts like the 1066. It has the same pan-type seat as the 1066. The IH 5 millionth.